Hello, hello, hello. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I have to apologise about the lighting. I've got like natural lighting coming in here, but also my desk lighting, so it's kind of like, it can't make its mind up whether it wants to give me good lighting or not. But welcome back. I've had a little sit down, I've had a little think about my YouTube, and I've decided that each week I'm going to post one vlog and one sit down video, just, you know, to mix it up a little bit, to keep it So this is my attempt this week. As like I posted a vlog a few days ago, and it's gonna be my little sit down video. Anyway, I'm chatting a lot. Today I'm going to be doing a little charity haul because the one thing that I'm loving about Exeter at the minute is the charity shops. Little tip, if you're in Exeter, the charity shops in the town centre, they're not that great. If you literally go out a little bit out of town to like St David's station, there's so many better charity shops that have so much cheaper stuff and so much better stuff. Like you'll see, I'll like point out what was from like the town centre and what was from near St David's, but honestly, love. A lot of this stuff is from vintage shops as well, not just charity shops. I thought I'd throw that in there as well because they were so cheap. There was one vintage market type thing that came to campus about a week ago, I want to say, and oh my god, they literally had like jumpers and like hoodies and stuff for literally a tenner, and they're all like branded ones. And you'll see, like, honestly, I'm in love with one of the things that I got from there, that I won't stop wearing it, and I'm starting to look a bit homeless where it's the only thing I'm wearing at the minute. Lol. But yeah, might as well get into it. Okay, so this is the first little fit. I'm honestly in love with this little fit. So these jeans, they are, I did try and show them in a video before, but like it's really hard to show jeans when you've only seen this part of my bloody body. But not the Christmas socks, please. They're straight leg or wide leg? I can never tell the difference between them. I think it is wide leg, I'm not sure. Anyway, these are Zara jeans. I'm pretty sure I got them for £6. This was from the charity shop in the town centre. There's Zara jeans, and I'm saying like, Zara jeans, oh. Usually Zara jeans are so expensive and I can never find my size, so when I saw this I was like, sis, get me involved. Get me there. Get me in there, please. This top, got something in my eye. This top was from that vintage market thing that I was just talking about. I think it was literally like £2 because it's actually a scarf, but I was like, oh, I can wear it as like a headscarf, I can wear it as a top. It's very versatile. The pattern on it is absolutely adorable as well. Like, please, me like rushing and putting it on, so it's not like, it's supposed to basically be like that, but very cute. Cheapest outfit going, please. What's that? £8, this whole fit, please, please. I love it to bits. It's gorgeous. Okay, so this is the, well, I've kept on the same jeans, but this is the like fleece jumper thing that I was talking about that I wear so often. It's kind of making me look like a bit manless, I can't lie. But it's this Adidas fleece. This was from the vintage market as well. £10, £10, £10. It is very big, but I kind of like that. Like, please. I love. It's got the Adidas logo on the back. Don't know what else to say about it. It's got really big pockets, but that's probably because it is honestly like 10 times my size. Like, please, my body is there. Anyways, why did I do that? Okay, again, same trousers. I'm just gonna keep the same trousers on to show you all like the top jumper things that I got. But this, again, vintage market. I'm pretty sure this is the last thing from the vintage market, so I'll shut up about it. But it's this baby pink champion sweatshirt. Is it a sweatshirt? I don't know. I don't really know all the different names. It's just quite cute, it's quite comfy. It's got a fleece lining as well, so like in the summer, in the winter it's gonna be very nice. It's got the little Champion logo here as well. Like, it's just so cute. Again, £10. Please, £10. I literally can't buy normal clothes anymore, like from like full priced places, like actual shops. Kind of makes me feel better though, because then it's just like, at least this is kind of, you know, good for the environment, because most of the places I do shop at normally are fast fashion brands, and they are bad for the environment, I know, but I'm not gonna shit on it because I still probably would if I had the money. But as a student, these vintage marketplaces, these charity shops, they have been pulling through with new clothes, because I'm sorry, but I can't just not have new clothes. That's really bad. To be honest, I probably will end up selling a lot of my old stuff on Depop now that I'm getting new clothes, because this wardrobe is not big enough, okay? And I'm more, like, I'm wearing these newer stuff way more, because obviously, like, it's nice and it's new, even though it's not, but I kind of like that. So all my old stuff I'm not really wearing as much, so I might start selling that. And then you're like, oh, look at us being good for the environment. Oh, stuff. So next is this little skirt. I think this is from the charity shops that I said that by St David's Station, and me and my mates are going to Cornwall next week, which obviously I'm gonna vlog. Yeah, y'all know I'm gonna vlog it. I thought I'd start getting more clothes for Cornwall, just because, like, you know, why not? This was literally like £3. It's quite cute, it's quite a little flowy thing. Kind of wish it was a bit shorter. Like, let me try to show you the length. I kind of wish that was a bit shorter, but, you know, what can I say, I'm a hoe. Okay, so next is this top. I believe this is from the town centre charity shops. It was quite a long top, can't lie, it's about here, but I cut it so it suit my style. It does look better with a bra on, can't lie to you, but the effort to put a bra on right now, oh please, please. But it's quite cute, and like, look, like, I feel, kind of want summer back now, because I feel very summery in this. But yeah, again, literally a few quid. Why do I sound shocked? Like, I'm literally going to shop at charity shops and I'm like, oh my god, it's a few quid. I got this top as well from the charity shops in town, and it was a £5 for this one, but it's French Connection, so I was like, oh, I'll let it off. It doesn't fit me the way that I wanted it to though, which is a bit sad, because it is a size 10 and that's usually what I am, but it's very tight. So it's more of just like an over thing now, because I'll show you. If I can get my arms in, like, you can tell it's quite tight, so like as an over thing it's fine, like, I can move about. But yeah, there's like buttons that are supposed to be done up, but like honestly I wouldn't be able to breathe if I done them up, so it's more of just like an over thing now. But it's still quite cute, like it's a sheer material with all polka dots on it, and it's very, I don't even know what like genre of fashion you would say this is, this fit, but I love it. I love it to bits. What else did I buy? I bought like a men's shirt, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just really like the colour. It's like a baby pink colour. I just an M&S top. An M&S top. It was £4. It's a men's shirt, and honestly don't know what I was going to do with it, because I thought maybe like done up but like crop it, but I'm not really feeling that style anymore. Probably as an over thing again. But it's a cute little baby pink. I just think it's really cute. You know? Oh, oh, stole my boyfriend's shirt, now I live in it vibe. That hit home. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't have a man's shirt to steal. So I buy them from charity shops. Hey, hey. So all my friends keep on telling me that I'm going for a preppy school stage in my life, and I can't deny it, because please. I got this skirt, obviously it's not part of like the charity shop thing, so I didn't want to put it in, but I got this skirt, like please, I'm really going through my prep school stage. But again, very cute. Can't really remember how much this was, but it's probably between £5 to £7. It was quite cheap. It was very long originally, it was like almost below the knee, like, but you know, I had to cut it so it would go with my kind of style. I haven't actually worn it with this top before, and I don't know how I feel about it. I usually wear it with the top that I wore like in the intro, which is this nude one underneath. But yeah, again, very cute, very preppy, very I'm going to my lecture now, don't speak to me, knowledge is all that's in my brain. Please. I got, also this is another preppy thing. I have actually gone through this very quickly, like this whole haul. Thought it would take me way longer because, not being funny, but look at the mess. Like, I did think it was going to take me way longer to get through this charity shop thing, but oh well. Vibes, going charity shopping again tomorrow, so there'll probably end up being another video. Anyway, so I got this men's blazer, again prep school vibes, £5. My only thing is it's got shoulder pads, so it looks fucking disgusting, so I need to figure out how to take out the shoulder pads. Like, look, please save me. Like, I already have broad shoulders. This just makes it look even worse. Like, why do I look like a triangle? Like, please. So I need to figure out how to take out the shoulder pads to make it a little bit more on my shoulders rather than by these gigantic stones that are on my shoulders. But again, never prep school vibes. Oh, preppy. I probably will grow out of this very quickly, this prep school vibe, but at the minute it's like my favourite thing to wear, especially to lectures. Don't know what it is, probably set in stone from, you know, the secondary school days and the sixth form days when I had to dress all preppy. But now I dress for fun in prep. Love life, breathe air. I'm pretty sure that is it. Really thought that was going to take me way longer. But I hope you enjoyed the little mess that I have made now. And I hope you enjoyed the haul, obviously. I'll let you know if there's going to be another one. Because to be fair, the charity shop is where I live at the minute. Because I can't afford full-priced items at the minute. Which is a blessing in disguise, because that means I can actually be good in terms of the fashion industry and all that stuff. You get what I mean. My brain isn't working. I'm barely awake, babe. Please. I need to go back to bed, clearly. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are enjoying the whole vlog and sit down video kind of thing that I'm trying to do at the minute. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, adios, bye.